This machine is complete with a CAV 32 bar loader, parts collector, parts conveyor, Misc collection, a 10-line high pressure CB510H cool blaster. Show you the inside of the bar feed. This machine ran stainless steel. Control panel. This machine has 20,000 hours in run, or is an on rather, and 11,614 run hours. It's been running 2 production jobs. It's in excellent condition. Work tower light. Has a 12-position front and back live tool block. Rotary tools, 4 rotary tools, 6 turning tools, 5 back working fixed, parts catcher, sub spindle with 4 face drilling and all plumbed for high pressure. Take you for around the back. The high pressure line's hooked up. Looks like they have 9 going directly this direction. And we're just going to run the RPMs.
Just gonna run a part.
You gotta run a bar up? Okay.
Run a part.
I'll run a part?
Yeah, 2 minutes.
2 minute part? What are the RPMs that you run in this part?
Multiple. Let's see, gonna run it at about 3,500. Gonna run it at about 1,000. And I think lastly about 5,000.
I'm gonna run a part with 3,500, 1,000, and 5,000 RPM.
That's that new big lathe? Yeah.
That's the material. The diameter of the material is?
1 inch.
1 inch.
Just gonna part it off.
We're going to have some coolant issues and it's locked down, so I can't videotape it through the glass very well. This part is turning, milling, face drilling, back drilling. Total tolerance on this part is 1,000.